Okay, I'm gonna show you something else we did here on this pond. Wife had me move the swing. There's my coffee cup, my happy coffee cup. Got the yellow irises blooming here. I think you can see them in the picture, and there's some spider lily in the back. There's two different colors of spider lily. And there's a happy fish. Happy fish. My wife threw some other. She likes to have ducks floating around. She likes to see them moving in the water. Yeah, there's a couple more ducks. What I did, she went out walking this morning, and Lake Odessa's got a bunch of yard sales, and she found that tub, not the green thing, but the big black thing that's sitting underneath of it, that little boy on it. Found that for $2. So now, if that filter up there plugs up and drains out the top, it's just going to go into that black tub and down the waterfall, instead of losing water all over the ground and then having the fish walk them. Anyway, that's what we did today. Nice day out. It's about 68 degrees. A little bit of ice yet way up there on Lake Superior. Not much. Hey, Bob the Clogger video. Thanks for watching.